Hi everyone, today I want to show you how simple way to catch freshwater Asia fish. Okay, today I'm going to take you guys to a small village called Pulau. It's in a Penang island, Malaysia. Basically we use two types of the common bait. One is a cricket, home cricket, another one is a earthworm. Okay, now we go to the aquarium fish shop to buy the cricket. The cricket we can buy about 30 pieces, about 2 ringgit or 50 cents. This is enough for one person for fishing 3 to 5 hours. This is Pulau rice field, my favorite fishing spot. Because it's far from city and very green and very peaceful. We can see there a few local guys are fishing. Okay, let me show you how to make a simple rod. Be it we need a telescopic rod or bamboo stick or fishing line about 1 meter any size, and fishing hook and sinker, and also the float. Let me show you the full process. Take about 1 meter of the fishing line, any size will do, and then choose the small medium hook. Now I'm showing you how to make the simple snake knot. Okay, at first we put the line through the hook and then pull back one round and return back to the hole, the hook hole, and then twist over the line on the hook for 3 to 5 times, and then pull through the end line and pull both sides. Then use knife to cut excess line. That's all. Let's refer the animation. This is how it works. Then we use a small sinker, put through the hole, then get about 5 to 10 centimeter, and then twist and tie. Now we put the float. This one, the clip float. On top we just press and hook the line, and then bottom also same, press and hook on the line. Okay, another option is we don't have the float, we can use any stick. Just break a piece of small stick, and then we can just tie it on it. Final step, tie the string on the rod. Okay, let me choose why I choose this material and their size. Okay, currently I use the telescopic rod, 3 meter, which is considered a small telescopic rod. So because I'm going to fish on the small river, so I just need a small size of range of the rod. So second is the fishing line. Fishing line just 1 meter. I use the smaller size because I'm going to catch the small fish, so I don't necessarily use the big string. Okay, third one is the hook itself. Also depends the size of fish I'm going to catch. This is a small fish, so I just use the small medium. And the sinker is a bit special. It's call it to sink the bait to inside the water, more fast, more easy. The second thing is the sinker used as a navigator. If let's say the spot have a lot of what do you call it, the water grass around, so we need to put a specific on the small hole, so the sinker will help you to narrow the bait to exactly to the hole. So that's the use of the sinker. Floater, we use the medium size. As long as it's not sink and able to floating, then it should be okay. If let's say the bait keep pulling down, the float unable to float, then you need to change slightly bigger. Okay, the floater actually work as an indicator. But let's say fish eating our bait, then we have to quickly respond. We have to pull up the hook fastly, otherwise the fish will eat the bait and run away. Okay, now I teach you very useful tips which is shared by the local fishermen. Okay, currently I now use the cricket bait. For cricket bait, we have to remove the head before we put in the hook. The reason of we remove the head because of they say the fish might afraid of the head, so the chances of the fish will eat the bait will be lesser. So when you remove the head, the fish will simply very fast snap the bait. Second, we remove the wings so that the wing won't act like a float, so the bait will easy to sink down. Okay, now I show you how to put the cricket on the hook. Okay, we hook on the top of the cricket all the way to the bottom of the tail. Rod and bait is ready. Let's go for the fish. Yes, we got our first fish. Okay, this fish we call it spot in a local name. In English we call it snake skin gourami. This fish a bit thin and soft skin, and this one we can use for the pet fish in aquarium, or local they use as a dry fish for cooking. And this fish it won't last long in above water, so we have to quickly return back to the river. Okay, we can see here is a baby fish playing on the bait. Yes, we got the second fish. This is called puyu in a local name, English called climbing perch. This is a hardcore fish. It can live out without water for a few hours, and these fish a bit careful when you want to catch, a bit careful because they have a sting on all area, on top of the body and the bottom of the body and also the side of the body. This fish normally local use as a food for cooking curry or fried. This fish a bit special. Some of the local believe some of them they put in aquarium and keep in the house for, how to say that, as a shield house from the black magic. They believe that this fish, if you keep in the house, if somebody wanna put a black magic to your house, then it will fail. It cannot reach to the house owner. Wow, this is our third fish. This is, we local call it ikan haruan or gabus, or we call it in English is a snakehead. It's an invasive species. Today I'm so lucky. Today I'm able to catch 3 species of fish in the same day. This is a very seldom happen. Mostly I can get the puyu and puyu the most. Sometimes very seldom I get the sepat, but today I'm really lucky to get the 3 fish. This snakehead, the body overall look like a snake, and then the mouth have quite a sharp teeth. And this fish is also very hardcore fish, can stay on the land for a few hours. And this fish really aggressive. It will eat any kind of bait, or like a frog, fish, worm, or cricket, anything that move on the water. Okay, until here only for today's video. Please remember to subscribe my channel. Thanks for your support. If you have any question or suggestion, please leave in a comment. See you in the next video. Bye.